Hello guys. In this video I'll show you the way to increase your Instagram followers without purchasing. At present so many people go in to purchase Instagram followers, but the problem is these followers are not actually active followers. Most of them are fake and created by Instagram bots. See how to increase real followers. There are some steps that we need to follow, but practically we can't interact with the Instagram in a whole day. But there is a one solution for this problem, which is we can automate humans functions such as follow an account, like a post and put a comment to a post. Then you will be able to grow your Instagram account very fast than before. When I run this bot I was able to get 60 to 100 followers within day with my new account. But if you have a professional Instagram account, it is easy to get nearly 150 followers per day. In this video I'll guide you for create your own Instagram bot. So let's go to the video. This is the program source code that I generated. First you need to download this code from description. This is our Instagram bot. Now you can open it through any text editors such as Notepad, Sublime Text, Visual Code, or any other text editor. I'm using Visual Code text editor. And this is .py file that's meant this program written by using Python language. Therefore you need to set up Python runtime environment in your computer for run this Instagram bot. Before you going to set up the Python runtime environment you can check that is it already set or not. To figure out it, open your command prompt and type python --version, then you will notify if it is installed. In my computer there is no Python installed, so let's go to the install Python. First go to the Python official website and download the suitable Python setup for your operating system and system type. If you don't know your OS and system type, then right click on this PC and click Properties. Here you can see my OS is Windows and system type is 64-bit. Likewise find yours and download the right setup. Then you need to download the web drivers for the Python. So now download suitable Chrome drivers for your Chrome browser version. And you can find Chrome version in here. Go to the settings and click About Chrome option. And also you need to have installed Chrome browser in computer. If you don't have, install it because we are going to run this bot on Google Chrome. Now we have downloaded the Python and the Chrome driver. Then install the Python setup in your computer. Note that make sure to put a tick on Set Path option that pop up in the setup when installing. Now you have installed the Python to your computer and you can check it. To check that, open your command prompt and type Python _ version like previously. Now you can see there is notifying the Python version. Then extract the downloaded Chrome drive file using WinRAR or 7-zip. Then you will have a Chrome driver.exe file. Now you need to set this Chrome driver.exe file path in Instagram.py file. Open the source code and make changes to Chrome driver path in the code. You can find your Chrome driver path in here. Then type your Instagram account's username and password here. At the end of the code you can find the comments that the bot will put on Instagram post. So make sure to change this comments before each runtime. Because the Instagram not allowed put same comment again and again. And also note that don't speed up this bot because there is some limitation in Instagram account, like Instagram limits your account activity with per day average of 1000 likes, 400 comments, 250 follows and 250 unfollows. If you exceed, your account activity will get paused and you cannot do any more activity for the next 24 hours. Therefore don't speed up the bot or don't increase the number of iteration. Also recommend don't run the bot more than 1 or 2 times per a day. Now save the all settings and open command prompt to run the program. When you open your command prompt, type here CMD and press enter. Then the program path will automatically taken by command prompt. Before run the program you need to install the pandas Python library. To install the pandas Python library, type pip install pandas in command prompt and press enter. Then you will see the library installing. After successfully installed, we can run the program. To run the program, type python space instagram.py and press enter. Then you can see the browser window automatically open and browse to our Instagram account. Now our bot working properly. Also you can do another operations in your computer by minimizing this window. You see the bot automatically open hashtag in the hashtag list, and click the first picture to open it. Then like, follow, comment and move to the next picture, in a 200 iterations loop. You can change hashtag in source code on line number 28 and iterations amount on line number 52. Once you run this program you will receive a database file that contains information about followers who are followed by the program. So, after you receive that file, remove the line number 30 from the source code and use the below 2 lines for it. See how I'm doing. First copy your database file name with extension. Then open the code and paste it in the line number 31. Now you already followed accounts will ignore by the program when you run the second time. Likewise in every each end of iteration you will receive the new database file. When you run again make sure to use last database file. That is it. Now you have own Instagram bot to grow up your Instagram account, and you don't need to spend money for third-party bots to manage your account. Actually this code is very simple. I think now you can probably pick it up quickly without any coding knowledge. I'm no Python ninja and I was able to build it, so I guess that if you followed every step in this video, you are good to go. Another thing is the Instagram changed their interface immediately, so, if you have faced to any issue during these process, let me know in comment section. Make sure to put comments about your ideas, experience, and suggestions. Thank you for watching.